Okay, hi. I know, no dancing. My last video went 10 minutes, and I don't get more than 10 minutes on YouTube yet because I haven't figured that out. So anyway, back to where I was. I was less than kind to a new member because, hey Google, stop. So anyway, a new member joined and went right and asked a question that was obviously in the announcements and the rules, and so I said something less than kind, not to the point of being rude, but I'm not trying to apologize for myself. But what I am trying to do is apologize. So I hate olives, black olives especially, but no, I hate every olive except for oil that I don't use much of anymore. Anyway, so here is my apology. My second least favorite thing is beets. My wife loves these little dirt testicles. I hate them. So, as a self-flagellating thing to do, as an apology, I am going to eat some of this beet. I don't know that I can eat all of it. Alright, so here we go. I don't have a fork. Alright. Piece of beet. Here we go. Oh my god. Huh. I can't eat it all. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh. I'm sorry. Oh, it tastes like carrots and throw up. Oh. It's horrible. Oh. It hurts in my soul. I apologize. Can I donate to one of your charities? Oh, I'm sweating. Well, I can't do it. I'm so sorry. I'll be. Okay, I won't do it again. I'll be a better person. Hi, I'm Just James from Intermittent Fasting for Vegans. If you haven't joined our group on Intermittent Fasting Vegans for Vegans on Facebook, please do so. And I will be very, very sweet. Because I don't ever want to do that again. I'm done. Peace out. See you next time.